Webmania.
Viewers, welcome to Webmania Bootstrap 3 second tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download and get started with Bootstrap. To get started with Bootstrap, the first step is to download Bootstrap. To download Bootstrap, we go to getbootstrap.com, the official website of Bootstrap. So here is bootstrap.com. On this website, you can find all the documentation required to get started with Bootstrap. You can collect all the information related to Bootstrap, like its current version and also upcoming version, all the features related to Bootstrap. So we are here to download the Bootstrap file. Here you can see a download Bootstrap button. You just simply have to click on this button. When you click on the button, you see this page. Here you see another three buttons like download Bootstrap, its minified variant, download source and download SAS. You have to click on download Bootstrap. When you click on download Bootstrap, the file is getting downloading as you see. When the file is downloaded, it's in zip file. Now the first step is to open the folder where you download the file. So here is the folder where I download the file. You can see the file is in zip form. The simple we have to do is to extract the file. So when we extract the file, we see a folder. When we open the folder, here you can see three subfolders of CSS, fonts and JS. So let's examine the files inside these folders. So first CSS. So here you can see different files. It's bootstrap.css. Bootstrap.css is a non-minified variant. In this file, you have see a lot of line breaks, a lot of extra space, which require a lot of memory. This is the bootstrap.css.map. It's a map file. The bootstrap.min.css. It's a minified variant. In this, line breaks and extra spaces are removed. And then bootstrap.min.css.map. This file is also map variant of minified. I'm sorry, it's a minified variant. Then bootstrap theme.css. It's for bootstrap themes and all these files here. Okay, now look at the files in fonts folder. When I open the folder fonts, here you can see different glyph icon files. These glyph icon files are required if you want to use Bootstrap features. These different files are for different format of glyph icons which support different browsers. These are glyph icon files. Now look at the files in JS folder. So now open the JS folder. Here you see three files: bootstrap.js, bootstrap.min.js. So first is bootstrap.js. These are JavaScript files. These files are required if you want to use Bootstrap features like model box, image carousel, drop down, etc. Now the one important thing is that Bootstrap JavaScript depend on jQuery. If you want to use such features, you must have to give reference of jQuery files in your code. So bootstrap.js is the file non-minified variant. Consists of line breaks, extra spaces. It's very readable, but it consumes a lot of memory. Now the next one is bootstrap.min.js. It is minified variant. This file is usually used. And the next one is npm.js. Now look at the steps involved to make our page connected with Bootstrap. So let's go to the editor. Here you can see I created my root folder of name bootstrap 3. The first step we have to do is add three files of folders we earlier see: CSS, JS and fonts in our root directory project, so we can access the features of Bootstrap. So let's do. So here is the folder where I got these. So step is to rename. I rename them to Bootstrap. The first step is to rename the folder. We rename the folder to Bootstrap. Now copy the folder and we have to paste this folder into our root directory folder. So let's go to editor. So it's our editor, and we just simply have to paste this folder into our root directory. And now paste. Yes, okay. Here our folder is pasted. Okay. Now we have to create HTML file. I give him name to index.html. I give title to bootstrap 3. Okay. The first, we simple use heading tag of HTML and see in the browser. Then we apply bootstrap classes on it, and you can examine the difference. So I use h3 and give it to hello bootstrap. So let's check in the browser. Here is the browser, and look, it looks like this. It's a simple heading of HTML. So let's go back to our editor. Here it's our editor, and now we give reference of bootstrap files to use bootstrap features. Here we have to give the bootstrap reference style sheet. So I use link relation style sheet in a ref. It's bootstrap folder, and in bootstrap folder style sheet is in CSS. In CSS we use bootstrap.min.css. Here is the file, bootstrap.min.css, and now we give him to type. It's not compulsory. Okay, now we give JavaScript reference script source in bootstrap folder. Bootstrap JS folder, and the file js.min.css. Yes. Okay. Now our page, our project is connected with Bootstrap, and now you can see the difference of simple HTML heading I write here. So I just simple give him a class of Jumbotron. Don't confused. Now with this class Jumbotron, we will learn in details about all the classes of Bootstrap. In this video tutorial, I just simply try to understand, and I give some information about you about Bootstrap and how we connect our page with Bootstrap. So save this, and now go to our browser and see the difference. Okay, it's our browser, and when I reload the page, you can see the difference. Okay, here you can see it's hello world. I'm using just only one class of Bootstrap, and you can see it's looking beautiful. So our page is connected with Bootstrap. We can use all the features related to Bootstrap now. Okay, now to connect our page with Bootstrap, you simply have to use these two lines of reference, these two lines. So it's enough in this video tutorial. So in next video tutorial, we will learn about Bootstrap grid system. Bootstrap grid system is the most important component to learn if you want to learn Bootstrap. Okay, for any query, you can contact us through email. Stay tuned. Have a good day.